25 days till Christmas. Rockin' till Santa get here. Most wonderful time of the year.
Vlogmas day 15. And it snowed. So we gotta clear off the car. This is gonna take me a minute. All right, it's around 11 now, and it is 19 degrees out. We gotta get some gas, and then we're gonna head to the gym. Worked on the arms, did some chest, and so now we're hanging out in the sauna for a little bit. I'm loving these headbands. I used to hate them when I was younger, and now they work so good, especially if I'm teaching. And our skin's looking good. Yay. Learning how to do the lighting differently and 4K, so that's why it looks good.